All right, y'all, let's go through our sourdough bacon basket and see what you can win when you purchase our raffle tickets. So, first up, why am I wearing an apron? Well, because this super cute apron comes in this raffle basket. You also get adorable Tiffany blue measuring cups and spoons. Of course, it comes with our stickers and our magnets. You also get a magnet that is measure equivalents. So this is super helpful whenever you are baking. I have one of these like everywhere. You get a spiced pumpkin soy candle. If this does not get you in the fall mood, I don't know what will. It smells so good. It also comes with a butter dish. So this says butter me up. It's super cute. And you get your proofing basket for your, of course, sourdough baking. It also comes with all kinds of your utensils and things to make your sourdough with. A little bottle of Yes Way Rosé, because better bread tastes so much better with wine. It just does. So you get one of those. You also get a, actually there's 3 dough scrapers in here. We picked up this cute chicken pot holder from Maddox Hill to go in this basket. It's just super, super cute. So it fits well with everything. You also get a canvas tote bag that says "In My Sourdough Era," because yes, it is an error. This is a towel that is hilarious. Definitely a favorite. I actually had to buy myself one of these because they're awesome. You also get a bread slicing knife, and guys, this is sharp. I actually just cut my finger on this, even with two plastic things on there. So it is really, really sharp, but you can cut your bread with that. And we've got in here a sourdough cookbook. So the Homestead Sourdough Cookbook, it's got all kinds of recipes in here. Bacon breakfast casserole, blueberry pancakes, sourdough bread French toast. Yeah, toad in the hole. Don't even know what that is, but it's in here. So you get to take that home and try out all the recipes. You also get a baking mat. So this is like a bread sling. Amazon did me dirty and sent the package all jacked up, so I did have to tape it and took the shipping label off so you could actually see what this was. So that comes in there. You do get one of our insulated lunch bags, so you can take all of your bread everywhere you go, and it's going to be nice and temperature worthy. You do get a $25 gift certificate for our meats, because once you try this brown sugar maple sausage, you're going to want to come back for like 6 pounds of it, because it is delicious. It's very, very surprising. The flavor, it's not what you think. It is delicious. And then you get some extra blades for designing all of your pretty little designs on sourdough. And we teamed up with Purple Buffalo Farms to actually get you a fresh sourdough loaf from Farmer Sprout, aka Sarah at Purple Buffalo Farms. So she makes some fresh sourdough every weekend at the Marion Tailgate Market. So you can go and pick that up with this free coupon. And you can't make sourdough without sourdough starter. So you can get some of Farmer Sprout's sourdough starter, live sourdough starter, and get to baking all of your bread. Comes with this handy dandy little basket as well. So tickets are $5 a piece, or you can get 5 tickets for $20. Those are available on our website, or you can swing by the Marion Tailgate Market, check out all of our raffle baskets that we have available, so you can look at it for yourselves, and you can purchase tickets there. we'll see you guys in October for our Meet Your Farmer open house event.